how to make G major 66 fixed version. You already know the pitches, and then let's swap threshold, go color light, color and light, then spectral map. Color 1 is black, color 2 is black, color 3 is white. Oh, guys, this one looks like metal. Yeah, this one looks like metal effect. Okay, let's do the fixed version. Let's take off sharpen. This one looks like black and white shorted. Whatever is called shorted or corded. This one looks like gray power effect. This one's G major 66 fixed version. Let's preview. Export. Save. You don't have to share the video. Manage, select more media. G major 66 fixed version. Okay. Samsung logo balls in G major 66 fixed. Now we're all done.